iOS 18 beta got you feeling buggy? Let's ditch that beta and get your iPhone back to a stable iOS version. First, a crucial step to avoid data loss: back up your iPhone. If you have an archive backup from before you install the beta, open iTunes on your computer, connect your iPhone, navigate to the Summary tab, and click Restore iPhone. Select your archive backup. If you don't have an archive backup, your only choice is to restore to the latest officially released and stable iOS version, which will erase your device after the restore. Set up your iPhone as new, but unfortunately, you will not be able to restore from a backup made while using the beta. If you used an IPSW file through DFU mode to download the iOS 18 beta, you can download the latest stable iOS IPSW from the Apple developer website if you are a registered developer or other reliable sources. Again, using this method will erase your device. Once the restore process begins, let iTunes work its magic. Your iPhone might restart several times. Don't panic. That's normal. The restore is complete when your iPhone shows the hello screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone. When given the option, you can set up as new. Remember, restoring from a backup created during the beta period isn't generally recommended due to potential compatibility issues. Once your device is restored, disable automatic updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and turning off automatic updates. This will prevent your phone from automatically downloading beta versions in the future. And there you have it. Your iPhone is now free from the iOS 18 beta, running on a smooth, stable version of iOS. Enjoy!